Hi, this is Miss Mangan with the Flip Class Online. I'm coming here to explain to you how you do the definition foldable for the melt, which is your energy. So let me go ahead and get you set up right here real quick. All right, so what we have here is a piece of paper. I have already just went ahead and pre-folded it, but let me show you real quick. You're going to take your paper and you're going to fold it either taco hamburger style, whichever way you want to call it. You're going to take this paper and you're going to fold it down like that. And then you want to put a little crease on the fold. Okay? Let me show you again. Open it up. So you have that. And then you're just going to fold it right here. Make sure you don't fold it hot dog style, but the hamburger taco style. Okay. So from the fold section, find your fold section on your paper right here. From your fold section, you want to go about an inch away from the fold and draw a line all the way down the paper. It's okay if it's not perfect. Okay, so now you can see I now have my fold line right there. From here, we need to divide this section up into 5 parts. So we're going to do this again. We're going to go about an inch, inch and a half to divide it up into 5 equal parts. So we're going to draw 4 lines first, second, so as you can see, we now have 4 equal lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 with 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we want to go ahead and put our title right up here, the title of our vocabulary word list. Just put this down real quick. I'll make it easier to see. We're going to write down types of energy. Types of energy. Okay. And because this right here, there's an acronym for our energy, we're going to write it up here to help us remember it. It's MELT. M-E-L-T. and S. Okay, so that's our acronym right there, and this is our title of our vocabulary list. Okay. So from here, what we need to do is we're going to go ahead and write our vocabulary words. The first one is mechanical. Second one is electrical. Third is light. Fourth is thermal. And the last one is sound. And I'm just underlining these right here because these letters right here are the letters that create our acronym right here for MELT. Alright, so now we have our vocabulary list right here. We have our words. What we need to do is go ahead and take our scissors and we're going to cut not only just on this part right here, but we need to cut right here. We're going to cut up all the way to this line. So let me show you how we do that. And then I stop right there, that line. So now I should have a flap here, and then a flap right here so I can draw some back here if I need to. Okay, and we're going to do it with each of these lines right here. So now we should have a lot of little flaps. So on the inside, we need to do several different things. Sorry about that. On this part right here, we're going to write our definition of our vocabulary word. Here, we're actually going to write a sentence using our vocabulary word. And over here, we're going to draw a picture that helps us remember our vocabulary word. So our first word here is mechanical. So definition, we're going to do this as an example. Definition of the mechanical is total amount of energy an object has. Okay, so let me show you quick. That's our definition. Total amount of energy an object has. Okay, so let's go over here. We're going to write a sentence. Our sentence is going to be bikes use mechanical energy to move. Okay, so now I have my definition here. I have my sentence here. And now we need to flip over and draw a picture to help us represent mechanical energy. So in this case, if my sentence is a bike, I'm going to go ahead and draw a really cute little stick figure bike. Okay, so you know that there's going to be a pedal right here. There's another pedal up here somewhere. And we know that there's going to be a chain right here. Okay, so we have our bike right here. And I'm going to draw a little arrow right here to help me remember. So this right here, where the bike is, that right there is the part that moves. So these little lines right here are a lot of times used by artists to show that the bike is in motion. So the arrow is pointing forward. This is telling me that the bike is going. Obviously, we need to have a little figure on here. Sorry, art teachers, for my stick figure. But we need a stick figure on here to show that the person is going.